Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to find products to put in the online stores for websites that we do for domain directs. You're going to pull up your ticket number here. So see backend package C. There's three different packages that they sell at this moment, which is A, B, and C. C is their highest end package. You'll see when you open up the ticket, you have the email address that you're going to use for all their WooCommerce and their contact forms, etc. You'll have the URL that's provided, and you'll have the product categories: outdoor hunting, fishing, camping, hiking, canoeing, etc. It's going to tell you need 2,500 products at a 15% markup. So I'm going to show you using Doba to pull out these products, and then we could I'll show you in another video how to import the products. So let's go ahead and go to doba.com. We'll go to the login page. We will log in. It'll take you to this page. You'll see at the top here you'll have a catalog. You want to click on catalog. On the left you'll see the main categories. You'll see outdoor and sports is the one that we want for this client. And then once you open that, there will be subcategories. So you have subcategories over here. He wants hunting, so you'll see there's 5,000 products in the hunting catalog. So then there's another 500 for kayaking and stuff that's relative. Like you said, he wanted hunting, canoeing, kayaking is very similar. So maybe that would be another one we'd use. But click on hunting. I've already taken page 1, so we'll filter the results 192 per page. I've already pulled the first page of all the products on this page, so I'm going to show you. You can filter other pages right here. Best wholesale discount. You can filter if they want like the most expensive products, so you can go highest first. Usually I just take this category, best wholesale discount percentage. Unless the customer is suggesting they want cheap items or more expensive items, you can kind of pick. So I'm going to go to page 2 and download page 2. So I'm going to click here on page 2. I'm going to hit select all. I'm going to hit this data export button right here. I'm going to go to drop down on the format I want it is for WooCommerce, and I will hit save and download. So it'll generate that for me. 192 products generally per page. You'll see I have it in my documents. I put it in products. I made folders for 15%. Some clients will have 25%, 10%, different percentages. So I saved my list so I could use them later. So I'm going to click 15% here. See, I already took down hunting page 1. I'm going to name this hunting page 2. That way I know the differences. From here is the next part. We're going to want to open this Excel sheet up, because we need to mark up the prices. You'll see right here in this column P, the regular price is $50.23. We're going to want to change that in the sale price right here in the column right next to it. I'm going to mark it up 15% like the client wanted. Like you can see right here, the client wants a 15% markup. So well, I'm going to show you how to do that. Basically what you'll do is, this is column P and row 2. What I'm going to do is create a equals sum, and I'm going to put a semicolon P2, and I'm going to multiply that by 1, always 1.15 for 15%. If it was 25%, I put 1.25, or 35%, I put 1.35. That will then mark it up in this column. Don't change this field name over here, sale price, leave it alone. Even though it's not the sale price, it's fine. So now that I have my markup from 50.23 to 57.76, what I'll do, if I hold the control button and then hover over this little box at the bottom of this corner, you'll see how it makes a double plus sign when I hit the control button. Hold the control button and double click, and it will auto fill all these different products. You see the 195 products and whatnot. Now that I have this entire column highlighted, I could go over to this money symbol and convert it so it rounds it up, and that's there. From there, I'm done with it with the markup. So now I know this is hunting page 2. I've already marked it up 15%. That way, if we get another client that does hunting, we could use this sheet on theirs as well. So that's that. I'm going to do another quick one for you to show you how I do it, because this guy wanted 2,500 products. So we got 2 pages at maybe 200 products each. That's 400 total products. I still need a lot more. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to page 3. I'm going to do one quick so that you guys could see it a couple times. And then after this, I'll create another video for you guys to actually import them into the WordPress sites that we're working on. So hit the data export, scroll down to WooCommerce, save and download, and wait for that to stir up. I'm going to name this hunting-page 3, save. I'm going to open up the file. I'm going to go to sale price. I'm going to equals sum P2 times 1.15, another semicolon, hold my control button, double click in the bottom right corner, highlight column Q and hit the money sign, and file, save. Now I got 2 pages. So I'll go to page 4, same thing. So keep repeating this process until you have enough products to fulfill how many products the client wants, and you should be good to go. Any questions, let us know.